Sunjo 2030 PSI Electric Pressure Washer is a top choice for 2024. This budget-friendly machine is designed for easy mobility, making it simple for anyone at home to use. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. The cable easily winds up for storage, and the wand is straightforward to attach and operate. In lab test, the Sunjo SPX 3000 demonstrated its ability to handle heavy-duty tasks around the house and even in small business settings. It's perfect for washing cars, equipment, walls, and floors with the power needed to reach high surfaces. Multiple spray patterns allow you to switch from light to deep cleaning, making it versatile enough for a range of jobs, including cleaning patios to concrete. Powered by a 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor, this pressure washer can produce up to 2030 psi and 1.76 gallons per minute, providing the strength and durability needed for various cleaning tasks. Whether you're tackling homes, RVs, cars, trucks, decks, or lawn equipment, the Sunjo is up for the challenge. With a maximum water temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it efficiently handles different surfaces. The pressure washer features two 0.9-liter detergent tanks, which are removable so you can carry and store different detergents for various projects. Additionally, it automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger isn't engaged, conserving energy and prolonging pump life. This thoughtful feature set makes the Sunjo 2030 PSI Electric Pressure Washer an excellent tool for both home and small business cleaning needs, offering affordable power and versatility. Good stuff, that's for sure.